Hello everyone, we are from Group 1. Today we are going to discuss about Google Slides. First of all, let us introduce ourselves. My name is Christine, and then we have Rivo, we have Rafli, the next one is Suci, last but not least, we have Dhania. Google Slides is a presentation program included as part of the free web-based Google Docs editor suite offered by Google. The first step is to make Google Slides. You can open a new tab on Google and then launch it using the account you have, like this. After connecting to your account, just type in this tab slides.google.com because it is automatically connected to your Google Drive. From that page, you are immediately directed to enter Google Slides. From here, you can choose to create a presentation from a blank slide or use a selection of templates already available from Google, like this. And then we choose to make slides from a blank slide. After we enter the slide, don't forget to name your slide. In here, we will title our material with subject, expression of happiness. And here there is a complete menu for us to make slides in the form of File, Edit, Views, Insert, Format, Slide, Arrange, and others. Here, you can also change the color to what you want, like this. You also pick color custom. After you pick color, you can click OK. For presentation, we will use the image. We have to make slides of our material. You can go to Insert Image, then select Upload from your computer.
The next step, after the image we want appears, you can position the image according to the size on the slide like this. Then, you can click the text box and create it like this. Then you can directly create the material you want. You can choose from a wide variety of font types and font sizes to suit your needs. Then, repeat again. In the same way, there is by creating a text box according to the slide. Since we've prepared a document for our material, we can copy it and paste it and just tidy it up on the slide. And then you can also choose a similar color to them if you want it this way.
After make a color for the text, the next step is input a text in text box with the material or topic that we made before.
For the next step, you can right-click on the first slide and select New Slide. You can repeat the same way to select the image you want from your document file. on the computer. And then create a text box again according to the size of your slide. Then type the material that you have made from this step. We will speed it up a bit.
For how to enter text in the text box, it's still the same way by determining the font size, font type, and color.
Then, if you want to make the next slide with the same slide image, you just right click, then click duplicate, and you can delete the previous text and can re-enter the next text on the third slide.
The next step, you can right-click again, then add some blank slide. Then, do the same way by clicking pictures that you have through the document file on your computer. You still do the same thing by positioning the image according to the size of the slide. On this fourth slide, I added an image by uploading it from your computer. Then, position it back on the slide and also add shapes on the right side by clicking the Shapes section. Then, select and measure as you want, like this. Then, do the same thing to enter text on the shapes. For this step, we speed up a little bit again to fill in the material on the slide.
In addition, you can also add a YouTube link that can be set automatically in your slide by clicking Insert and then selecting a video. Then you will be directed directly to Google and select the video that you will input according to your material so that the material you convey is more complete. With there is an example video. After clicking the video, you can set the video like the following way. Then you can change the size and position of the video as you want a besides input video link. You can also add a URL link to the image as another example of the material you made like this. To see the result of the slide that you have made, click the top right corner in the present section, then hear the result. The last step, you can save the Google Slide file by clicking the top left corner on the file menu, then clicking download as web file where we select PDF document, then click, and then you will be directed to your document file where the file will be saved. And finally, you can share the result of the Google Slide that you have made by clicking the top right corner in the share section, and you choose the share access for all and copy link and down. Finish.
So the conclusions that can be drawn about Google Slides, or what is known as Google Drive Slides. When you have tried Google Slides, you will realize that Google Slides is a feature similar to many other presentation software package at no cost to you, and also depending on the needs you are going to use. Google Slide is the best choice for software for doing presentation. Okay, thank you.